Before I introduce you to my project, here is a word for today for you, friend, just to give you hope and to wish you a good day. So let we go quickly to this project that I started this morning. That was something I wanted to do long time ago. But today I don't know what gives me the courage to start. But please let me know in the comment what you think of it. For a first timer, writing freehand with some white paint. And yeah, that is what I did. So tell me in the comment what you think, what I could do better, and right, then I will improve from there. But I think this project is not finished yet, but I will give you another update. Have a lovely day. I am Maggie. Please subscribe, like, and share to help my channel grow. Thank you, friend. Bye-bye.